Hello everyone, today we're going to work on a iPhone 8 screen replacement. First thing you do is take off the Pentelobe screwdriver screws from underneath the phone to release the screen. You go in from one side, lift up, never going through here, you can mess up the home button. And just like the 7s and 7 Plus, they do open to the right. And these are Phillips screws, different sizes. Make sure you put them in order. Each screw needs to go into the hole it came out of, because if you put a long screw into a small screw slot, you could mess up the motherboard. And if you're doing it for a customer, guess what? You're buying the customer a new phone. As you can see, long, long, short, short. You got 3 screws holding the camera earpiece flex. Hate these screws because they're not magnetic. These are all the same size, so you don't have to worry about putting them in order, but just a habit with me, I put every screw in order. Every screw goes into the same exact hole they came out of. This is top bracket. Now, very important on the 8s, 8 Pluses, never disconnect the battery from this side, because it has the MOSFET over there, and a lot of people rip that off, and then your phone will still work, but it will always show your battery as 0%. That's the battery data lines. So what I like to do is hold it from the flex and lift up, as you can see. And here's our 3rd screw for the bracket. Now, I'm going to get rid of the bracket on the camera and the speaker, front camera. Now, all these screws are different sizes. Again, you put them in order. Start from the top left. Remove the bracket. Remove the earpiece speaker. It's your earpiece speaker. Now we're going to remove the screws from the side. These are all the same size, so you don't have to worry about putting them in order. This takes the tri-point screwdriver. I will have a description, a link to the description, inside the description, for all the tools. Home button bracket, put these screws in order. Lift this plate. Screen is lightly stuck on there, so just take it off, put it aside. Get the front camera bracket. That's the proximity sensor bracket. That's up. Over here you have to be very gentle. You don't have to apply pressure. It will slowly come out. There you go. That's your front camera earpiece module. Release the home button flex. this guy. Dip your spudger into a little bit of alcohol and very gently try to get under there. That's it. This comes out from the top side, so you gotta push down on it. That's it. Let's get our new screen. Now you put the home button in first, from the outside in. Once it's lined up, connect it, get your plate, straighten the wires. Get your tri-pronged screwdriver. Three screws on the right side and 3 screws on the left side. Home button bracket. After some experience, you should be able to do this repair under 5 minutes. Put this guy in its place. As you can see, I don't know how well you guys can see it, this has 2 holes in it. There's 2 pins on the screen. So you just gotta line up the holes with the pins. Then you know that you have it in the exact place. So you're gonna make a connection with the earpiece speaker. Put the proximity sensor in place. Put the front camera bracket in place. Put the earpiece speaker in place. Hold it with your finger, get your bracket, put the bracket over it. Remember, as I said earlier in the video, these screws are all different sizes, so these you would have had to have in order. Otherwise, it's going to go right through and scratch up the glass and everything. It could even break it. Connect the front camera flex first. Now you have to line these up. If it's not going into place, don't put pressure on it because you can mess up the connectors and everything. You'll hear them click. What I like to do is go right over it and then try to move it left and right. If it doesn't move, push straight down and then connect the battery. Get your bracket. The screw is just not having it today. And once you're putting these brackets on and you're screwing in the screws, once you feel the tension, you're good. You don't have to go any tighter. You don't want to go too tight either, because you could break the screws, you could damage the board. So once you feel the tension, that's it. It's in place. Now again, these were different sizes too. That's a long one I'm putting in right now. This guy was a short one. This is going to be a long one. And this one right here is going to be another short one. Okay, let's close it up. Fire it up. Okay, I'm going to move it away from the camera just in case they have any private background pictures or anything. I'll be right back. We do fix iPhones, iPads, Samsung phones. If you guys need anything fixed, we do screen repairs, batteries, charging ports, board level repairs, data recovery, water damage. You guys can give us a call. We're Fast Fix iPhone Repairs. We're located in North Hollywood, California. Our phone number is 818-356-7777. Okay, phone is on. Test the touch. Good. Turn it off. Home button, clicking. Perfect. And we are all set. Please like and subscribe for more repair videos. Thank you and have a good day.